Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I just wanted to share something with you guys because if you guys know that I shop a lot on Amazon, and recently I just did the unboxing of the Zippo, and today I went back onto Amazon and I bought some fluid for the Zippo. And I also bought like the Skechers shoes, which is really cheap. Regular price is about $54, and it's on sale for $20. This is for work shoes. Excellent, by the way. And what happens when I add the two items together, I just happen to see the Amazon Prime 30 days free. It's added into the cart, and so I guess as you guys know, Amazon's Prime Day is coming up. And I'm not sure if this is only for select account only, but I've been shopping on Amazon for quite some time now, and I do shop a lot. So I don't know if it's selected, but you guys can check it out. Try to order maybe 1 or 2 items and see if you do get that free for a 30-day trial. And before I had the trial before as well too. I'm not sure it was this year or the year before. But like I said, maybe Amazon is just trying to boost up their Prime Day and try to get as many members, give you the free shipping, so that way you can, buy more stuff from Amazon. Okay, so literally right now, there's almost, you can buy anything on Amazon. I bought like bathroom tissues, disinfectant, even water. Okay, so Amazon, you can pretty much, if you need anything, Amazon has it. Okay, and most of the time they even price match it. Okay, but this video is just quickly bring to your attention if you guys want to check out to see if your account does have a free 30 days trial of Amazon Prime. Okay, if you guys have any questions, let me know, or if let me know whether you guys get the 30 days trial or it's just only my account. Either way, you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.